Well, hello there, everybody. Sorry if I look really tired. It's been a long day. I had an MRI done, and then I went to visit my friend Amber, who brought me treats from her trip to Japan. Whee! And I just had supper, so I'm kind of full, but I really want to do this YouTube video. So we're gonna have some fun stuff before I collapse. Look, she even bought me socks from Disneyland. Look, they're Mickey Mouse with ghosts. That's the ghost of Mickey. And as you can guess, Molly Weasley's right here begging, and she's not getting any. No, you can't have my socks. I'm sorry, I'm not. Like I said, it's been a long day. Just had supper, so I'm kind of full, and the MRI took a lot out of me. So I am a little bit out of it. But I got to visit with my friend Amber, and I got to watch Doctor Who, which is always a pleasure. But let's start with this. Amber says that this is like a giant Cheeto, but somehow sweet. Obviously, I can't tell you what the ingredients are. I regret now that I did not program my coworker Stan's phone number into my cell phone so I could text him a picture to make sure I don't have an allergic reaction to this stuff. I think the batteries are dying in my light over here. Oh, it's kind of broken. It's kind of broken, but it'll still taste the same. Yeah, it is oddly sweet. Would you stop? I will put fresh batteries in you later. Can you just last the length of this video? Now, apparently it's hollow, too. It's very cheesy smelling. It actually smells more like cheese than a regular Cheeto. Okay, I guess this light is going off because it keeps flickering on me. So that's fun. Not as much light as normal. Yeah, that's kind of... I mean, it's not bad. It's just... You don't expect a Cheeto to be sweet. Ugh. Oh no, not again. Sorry, folks. Let me take a moment to fix my necklace. Somebody got her little doggy paws stuck in my necklace and ripped it off my neck. Luckily, it's kind of easy to put it back together, but what I really need is a pair of pliers to make that real nice and tight. And I don't have a pair of pliers on me right now. Yeah, that's, it's not horrible. It really isn't, like, nasty horrible. It's just that little bit of sweetness is kind of off-putting to my dumb American palate. But we got more stuff to try. Oh, that's good water. These are some sort of teeny tiny candy. She said they're chocolate. So we shall have some chocolates. I realize my personality is not the same as it is in most of my videos. Like I said, it's just, you know, I've been having migraines again, and migraines are not fun. And now I'm getting I had an MRI today, which very long process. And very noisy. And don't you start crying at me. Your name is Molly Weasley. Your name is not Kermit, okay? My name is not Jenna Marbles. She's crying. Look. You can't have any. You can't have any. She's gonna keep crying constantly. So, all the decorations is on the package. I'm not actually eating a tiny little person. Those are actually really good. Let me see if I can bite one in half here. So, and that's what it looks like inside. It's not really hollow. I think it's just the way it happened to bite through. The candy shell is a little thicker than most. And that is actually quite delicious. That is quite delicious. You can't have any. Chocolate is bad for doggies. Would you like to come up on camera for a moment? I'll have to wash my hands afterwards, but... Say hello to the folks on YouTube. See, no, you are the one who is crying. Now, if you're wondering why her ears are a little greasy looking, it's because she's had an ear infection. And this is from her medicine. I love you too. You need a bath. You need a bath. Okay? You can't have any of my treats from Japan, though. You can't. It'll make you sick. It will make you sick. Okay? I love you. But I just dropped a lot of money on the vet because of your ear infection and other things. She had to have another tooth removed. Whoever owned her before never took care of her teeth. And so now she's missing 11 teeth. Here, let me get her a little... It's not like she didn't just have supper. She just ate. Right? Right? Would you like a little freeze-dried beef liver? You're not getting any candy. It's going to make you sick. Now, the things I do for you. You cry at me like if your name is Kermit and my name is Jenna Marbles. Okay, no. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I'm really excited about. You guys ready? You guys ready for this? I know a lot of people on YouTube have tried this already. But those people aren't me. This is where we need a big dramatic music score. So imagine it in your head. Green tea Kit Kats. Green tea, Kit Kats. I got green tea, Kit Kats. Thank you, Amber, for getting me these delicious looking things. I'm not dark, I know it. Ah! Ooh, individually wrapped. I'll have to leave them out so other people in the family can try them. They certainly do the packaging differently. I mean, it actually looks like you could write somebody's name on there or something, or draw a little picture. I mean, that's not on an American Kit Kat. I would read off the ingredients, but, you know, dumb American here. Oh, they smell so good. No. Green tea contains a lot of caffeine, and caffeine is deadly to dogs. I am not giving you any. Oh, that smells so good. Give me a break, give me a break, break me up a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Yeah, one of my coworkers brought these maca or matcha, I don't know how you pronounce it, caramels, and I didn't realize at the time that that was green tea. They are so good, and so are these. And they're really easily melted though. Oh my God, people. Oh my God, these are so good. Heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak when I'm filming me eating a tasty treat. Oh my God, that is so good. It's really, 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 really creamy. You know, it's almost like drinking a tea that's been thickened with condensed milk. It's really creamy. It's really crispy. It's somehow sweeter, and yet at the same time not as sweet as a regular chocolate Kit Kat. Oh my God, that was delicious. Amber, if you happen to watch this video, thank you. Thank you for bringing, and she also brought me back a Godzilla keychain, but I left that in my purse because I was just so excited about being able to finally try green tea Kit Kats. And again, I'm sorry my personality is not the way it normally is on these videos. I'm just, you know, I'm tired. I don't know why the migraines came back, but they did, and I hope and pray the MRI finds something, yet at the same time I don't want it to find anything, because, you know, you got your worst case scenarios, and I want it to be the best case scenarios where it's like, okay, you have migraines, but you definitely don't have a brain tumor or alien implants inside you. You know? Actually, I would rather have alien implants than a brain tumor. So I'm tired. It's been a long day. I'm going to end this here so I can get it up on YouTube and replace the batteries in this thing, which decided to just suddenly start. I should not aim that directly at the camera. And I don't know what else. Maybe make some TikTok videos before bed. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm kind of out of it. But I had green tea Kit Kats. I had green tea Kit Kats. I had green tea Kit Kats, and they are really yummy. Bye.